How to check your airteltigo number. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to know your airteltigo number. All that you have to do is to simply follow me throughout this tutorial. Okay, so to know your airteltigo number, you have to know the code. Okay, and then the code for checking your airteltigo number is star. So simply press on the star, then you press on the 7, then you press on the 0. After that, just go and then press on the 3, and then come down here and then press on the hashtag. Okay, so after doing that, all that you have to do is to simply select the slot where your sim is located. Mine is on sim 1, so I'll just select sim 1 and then dial it. Okay, so after dialing it, your number is going to be shown just like this one. So as you can see, dear customer, your number is this, and that is how to check your airteltigo number. So after knowing it, simply press on the cancel. And just as I said, to know your airteltigo number, simply locate the number button just like this one, press on it, and then dial the short code star 7. Okay, so after pressing the star, just press on the 7. So star is pressed, then the 7, and then the 0, and then the 3. Then you add the hashtag to it, and then you call it. Okay, so this is how to know your airteltigo number, just like the video, and then see you in my next video.